Hi guys, I'm Danny from Hudis Tactical, and here today we are going to discuss with you the Level 3 Plus Ultralight. This plate is made of silicon carbide material, and it's expanded protection, which is standard. Because this is made of silicon carbide, it is 1 pound lighter than the Level 3 Plus plate, which is made of alumina ceramics. And this tile is lighter and harder than alumina ceramics. Now, let's go ahead and discuss with you the results of the tests that we performed on the plate. So this plate was shot at 6 times. 2 were full metal jackets, 2 green tips, and 2 M80s. These 2 here were the M80s. These 2 here were the full metal jackets. And these 2 here were the green tips. So let's show you how this performed on the back. We can see that there's 0 penetration. There was just many places where the bulge happened, but the bulge was only about an inch or so deep. And the reason why the bottom had more bulge was because it was on the edge of the plate. But again, there was 0 penetration that happened. Hi, I'm Danny with Hudis Tactical, and now we're going to test the Ultralight Level 3 plate using an AR-10 with two rounds. So let's see what happens. All right, let's see what happened. So as we can see, there were 2 shots struck on the ultralight plate. This was the first shot, and it made quite a bit of damage. We can see on the plate, it hit the silicone tile and looks like shattered it here. On the second shot up here, it also went through a silicone plate, but let's see what happened on the backside. So as we can see, there was a couple bulges, but there was no perforation on the back. So it only had a little bit of deformation, and that's all that happened. So if we look at the clay, we can see that on the clay side, there's also some deformation, but it stopped the plate stopped the bullet from going through. So, okay, so now we're gonna test with 2 green tips and 2 full metal jackets. Let's see what happens. Okay. Great. Yep. All right, let's go take a look. So as we can see, there's 2 bullets here were the first 2, and then the second 2 were down low, and the 5th and 6th shots were here. So let's see what happened to the back of the plate. So if we look at the back, the 2 bulges were from the first 2 shots where we spoke before. The other 2 below were down here, and we can see that the bulge is very minimal. So not much bulge here. And then the 5th and 6th shots were these 2 here. And again, the bulge is also very minimal. The deformation is not too bad. So all in all, the Level 3 light plate held up.